Hi, today I will show you how to easy remove and change earpads for JBL Live 650 BTNC Bluetooth headphones. This tutorial is also useful for JBL E55BT and JBL Live 500BT headphones users. To remove the old earpads cushion, you will need a narrow object. You can use a butter knife, ruler or long nails are useful also. This narrow object needs to be inserted between the ear cup and the headphone housing. Once you have got it, take the earpad off with a little snapping motion. Earpads are held in place by plastic hooks. Your job is remove the earpad from these hooks. As you can see, there are a total of 6 hooks holding the earpad cushion in place. The same thing you should be done on the other side. It's not difficult, just do it carefully, so as not to break the hooks, and stick knife the speaker driver. After that, all you need to do is to pick up the new earpads cushion replacements. The link to them is in the video description. Look on the headphone body which side it is, as this is the right side. Then you also need to take the right side earpad, and put it on top with a little pressure. If you hear a click sound, then you do it right. Do the same with the other side. It's up to you what color earpad you choose, because they all fit and won't affect the sound in any way. I hope this was useful. This is a good way to avoid buying new headphones, but just restore the old ones. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons, so we can meet in other useful videos. Have a nice evening.